Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share a method with you which absolutely anybody can do. This is available worldwide and you do not need any money for this. So I'm going to show you step by step how this works. We'll go over what you need, what you don't need, because believe it or not, you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, and you don't even need money to get started with this. So make sure you watch this till the end because I wouldn't want you to miss any steps and ultimately fail like 90% of the people who are trying, probably higher than 90%, but lots of people fail with this method because they don't do it correctly. And look, it isn't that difficult. It can take a little bit of time to set everything up, but once you set it up and you start being consistent with this, you can earn some pretty good money with this. So what is today's method and what are we going to be focusing on? Well, we're going to be focusing on the how to. You might think, what the hell does that mean? Well, let me go ahead and give you an example of this. So I'm just over here on Google and just doing some playing around with some simple searches. I've come on in as you can see on here, I've typed in how to make a, and just this year, 450,000 people a month are searching for this. So how this works is, I'm going to do a live example. Let's just do this. How to make a. And I'm going to press the space bar there. Now look at all these. I mean, how to make a paper. People are actually searching for this. How to make a robot, how to make a cake, how to make a paper, etc, etc. So how this works is we go ahead and we find people who are literally have a problem or they're searching for something and they want the information for this. And this works with affiliate marketing. So traditionally what happens is people go ahead and they sign up to an affiliate network and they get a product that they want to promote and then they go around it the wrong way. And when I say the wrong way, it's wrong in the terms of they do that the traditional way, which is what everyone's doing, which can be, you know, a review video or a review blog article or things like that. Or what will happen is they'll sign up to a company or a product and then they'll just go spam that link on Facebook and Twitter and everywhere else, and nobody pays any attention to it because it's not solving a problem. It's not helping people out. And you know, if you're sharing content on Facebook saying how much money you're making, people don't care. They need to relate it to them and how if they have a problem, how they can fix that problem, or if it's not a problem, then you go down the feelings route. But in this one, we'll look at problem solving or how to. So a really simple explanation for this would be something along the lines of hosting. And what does that mean? Well, on the website, on the internet, if you want a website, you need to go ahead and have something called hosting. So you buy a domain name. So in my example, my blog is called Not Taught at School. That is my domain name. In order to have that domain name hosted and actually have a website, you need something called hosting. Now, there's many platforms out there where they will pay you a significant amount of money to send those people traffic. So an example of this would be this website over here. This is called Host Papa. Now, many people will tell you to go and focus on Bluehost. I wouldn't, it's crap. But this is a platform here. Sorry, that's my opinion, by the way. So this Host Papa here, this is a hosting platform. So you can go ahead and sign up to this platform here for free. And look, if you scroll down here, you can see where we go. You can see you will earn. This is in US dollars. You would earn $56 in commissions for everybody who you send over here to go ahead and purchase hosting and other products from them. Now, once you've got some sales under your belt, this can drastically go up. Currently, I think I earn $95 for everyone I send over to this platform. But in the beginning, you will be earning $56. So if we go up here, let me just show you this. So we've got websites, hosting, and they offer lots more. So if click on web hosting, let me just show you exactly what this means. So you can see on here, someone's got an idea for a business, or they want to start a blog, or you know, they've got a retail store or an offline store and they want to go ahead and create a website online, then they would need hosting. And this is something that you can offer to people. And everyone who you send over here and they go ahead and purchase any of these, you earn an affiliate commission. And as you've seen here with this Host Papa, it starts at $56 and it goes all the way up. I believe it goes up to $110, but you need to be sending a significant amount of traffic to that. So this is hosting, and lots of people need this, especially if they want to have an online presence. So you can come over to sites like this one here, this Host Papa, and sign up as an affiliate. And then as an affiliate, they will give you lots of stuff that you can use. They offer banners on here. There's lots of different examples on here. And there'll be other affiliate bits in here. So basically, you sign up for an affiliate platform, and look, it doesn't have to be hosting, it can be absolutely anything. But once you've got a product or a service that you want to become an affiliate for, and look, there's hundreds of thousands of these where they're free, so you can go ahead and sign up for these. Once you've signed up and you become an affiliate for these, the next part is the content and the traffic part. So how would you normally go ahead and create content for this sort of thing here? Well, most people would go ahead and start doing, Host Papa review, Host Papa versus Bluehost, comparing them to other websites. But let's go ahead and show this. So this is something what I would do. So if I was doing this, and this is what I did when I first started doing this method, go up here. So I'm going to type up here, how to make a website. Look at this, 110,000 people are searching for this every single month. If I then scroll down, how to make a website secure, how to make a website UK, etc, etc. So you see all of these search terms here. You can go ahead and create content around these search terms here instead of doing the traditional thing what lots of people will tell you to do, which would be something like Bluehost versus, look at these ones here, Bluehost versus GoDaddy, Bluehost versus HostGator, all of these ones here. This is when someone's actually specifically looking at a hosting platform, but this isn't capturing people right at the beginning of their journey, if you like. This is literally just doing review articles. So with the how-to method, how to make a website, you can see here people are always searching for this here, and it's evergreen content as well. So you can see on here, you can go through and get all of these keywords here, and you can see on here the volumes on here. There's some really good ones like this one here, how to make a website for free in the UK. That would be a really simple piece of content that you can rank and start getting traffic to very quickly. You've got another one here. Where's this one gone? This one here, how to make a website UK. And the thing is with this, let me just give you another example on here. If I just click on let's just go on this one here. Oh, sorry, this one here. Let's go on this one here. How to make a website mobile friendly. If you click on here, if you scroll down to the bottom of any page on Google, you get all of these related searches here. So you can go ahead and create content around these down here. And if you've got keywords everywhere like I've got, you get all these additional ones, all these additional searches over here. So with this method is really simple. You go ahead, you sign up to an affiliate platform, you find a product or a service that you want to market. Then once you've done that, you create content around that, normally around this how-to method, because people are always searching for this. And it genuinely is a really simple method to do. So once you've done this, how do you do the content? Well, there's a number of ways that you can do this for free. The first method is you can go ahead and you can create blog content around these keywords up here that we've been looking at. Where do you go ahead and create a free blog? You can go over to, let me think where you can go. You can go to wordpress.org, you can go to Google, you can go to, and there's hundreds of them. Honestly, there's hundreds of them. There's another one up here, this one here. Let me put this one in for you. You can go over to Wealthy Affiliate. You can go over to here. Go over to Wealthy Affiliate, you can sign up with these for free, and they will show you how to create a blog or a website for free. Oh, hang on, that's taking me to my homepage. Let me just try that again. Wealthy Affiliate. Let me go ahead and show you this. If we can just show you the homepage, because this here is a great company that you can join for free and learn about creating a blog or creating a website. If you scroll down here, you can see how to transform your ideas into profits. Build a website on here. Look, no design skills needed. It's really simple stuff. They go over traffic with you. They've got all of these different companies built in where you can go ahead and find products. And this company's been around for 14 plus years. So you can go ahead, you can sign up to Wealthy Affiliate, you can create blogs and websites on here for free. You can go over to Wix, WordPress, and many more. Just type in free blog or free website, and hundreds of those will come up in Google. So that's one method for you. You can go over and create a free blog or a free website and create content around that original search term. Another thing you can do is go over to YouTube and do the same thing. Create a video around the search term. So in this example here, we was going with how to build a website. And look, again on here, all you have to do on YouTube or Google is once you type in a search term, press the space bar like I've done there, and it'll bring up all of these related keywords for you. So look, how to build a WordPress website. 2,900 people are searching for this every month. Now let me just show you this. So I'll click on here, how to build a WordPress website. Scroll down here, look. 9 months ago, this video here, 1.4 million views. This one here. And look, I'm not going to say you're going to get this number of views off the bat because you're not going to. It takes time to build up these YouTube channels. Now, you might be thinking, well, I don't have a bloody clue about websites. You don't have to. This is just an example for you. And in terms of creating videos on YouTube, I was going to say it's best if you're on camera. It doesn't really make a difference whether you're on camera, off camera, whether you're doing videos like the one I'm doing here, whether you're doing really simple videos using softwares like Content Samurai and other ones. But this is a great platform that you can use. You can go over onto YouTube for free, create content around the keyword, put it up onto YouTube, and then put your affiliate links in the description. And you can see here, I can just see as a snapshot, this person here is doing this exact method. Let's go and have a look at this video here. Pause this, how to make a website in 10 minutes. So he put this video up on the 3rd of January 2018. So nearly 2 years ago. Let's see how many views he's still getting on this. So a video that he put up that in January 2018. Look at this. It's getting 362 views every single hour to this video here. It's a great method, isn't it? And if I scroll down here, look. Start here. Where's this going to take us over to? How to make a website. So he's going to be either, yeah, look, get a hosting with a free domain. If I click on here, where's he taking us to? He's taking us over to GoDaddy. So he's an affiliate for GoDaddy over here. So if I come back here, come out of there, come out of there, come out of there. So you see, with this method here, this how-to method, this is a great way to start making money online because you're focusing on evergreen niches because people are always searching in these key terms up here. Look, these how-tos. And as you've seen here, this video from nearly 2 years ago is getting, what was it, 362 views every single hour. It's incredible. Now let's go and have a look at his YouTube channel just so you can see this. So let's go on videos. So you can see he's putting up, well, he's put up a video one day ago and he put up a video the previous day, but before that he hadn't done anything for 4 months. He's probably swanning around with all of his affiliate commissions that he's getting from GoDaddy. So that is today's video. We're focusing on the how-to, and once you go ahead and you find affiliate products that you can market, you then create content around the how-to element, and you can do this blogging, you can do this with YouTube, you can even go on Instagram, you can go on Facebook, Twitter. There's hundreds of ways that you can drive traffic to this using the how-to method. And you know what? Look at it. I've just noticed this on this guy's channel here. Everything is how-to. How to create a business email. Same one. How to create a WordPress website. How to upload your website. How to add a. See, all of these videos are all how-tos. And also, look at this. He's not even got that many videos on his channel. He has got on here 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 26, 28. He's got 29 videos on his channel and he's got 344,000 subscribers from that number of videos. It's quite mind-boggling, isn't it? So look, you can see this method works. People are doing this how-to method. So if you found today's video useful, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.